Hey you guys, what's up? My name is Lauren and this is my channel, Naturally Lori. So today's video is going to be an unboxing. All the videos you see me in this outfit, I'm gonna space them out obviously, but they're going to be unboxings, y'all. Your girl has been doing well in the influencer world and more opportunities is coming my way, so you know that's why you're going to see some unboxing from me. But there's a few things I want to say before I get started with this unboxing. I think this is going to be the first one you see of the few that I record today, so I just want to talk now and just let the other ones go by kind of quick. Doesn't matter if I'm just saying. But first things first, look at my hair, y'all. It's in a bun. As y'all know, it hasn't even been a full year since I cut my hair. Maybe about 9 months, maybe 7, 8, 9. It was been 9 months. It's been 9 months since I cut my hair, and it's all the way in the bun. The other day I had a side part and it was in a puff, but you see the baby hairs are laid. My hair look good, and this is like the first video, like talking video, that I'm filming without any makeup on in such a long time. I've gotten into such the habit of needing my makeup to be done and needing to look a certain way to film a video, but today I'm not doing that. I got my glasses on, but my hair look cute, no makeup, you know, very chill. I changed shirts so I can look more professional, a little necklace or a chain or whatever, little bracelets and stuff to look cute. But yes, let's get into this video. So in today's video, today's unboxing is going to be 2 different brands. I know that the bags are the same colors, but it's 2 different brands, as you saw by the title. So the first brand is Dominican Curly. It's a Dominican Curly unboxing. I don't know if y'all know what Dominican Curly is, but I feel like if you follow me on Instagram, then you probably follow that page. But yeah, the owner is very nice. I've been following her for years. I signed up for her PR list such a long time ago. Like, I remember signing up, but like, I didn't think I would, like, if I didn't hear back then, I didn't ever think I was gonna be on her PR list. But she chose me, so I'm happy. And the owner is so pretty, y'all. I do not know her name right now, but she's super pretty, y'all. So check out Dominican Curly. I had an Instagram down below, but this is the package. The front, it don't really matter, but I'm going to go and quickly unbox this for you guys. So I was under the impression that I was getting like a bonnet and stuff too because of the email I got, but let me show you why I'm taking it out. So the first thing I see is a card. That's the owner right there. Isn't she so pretty? I just realized that it had like, me a personal code on here, so I had to cover that up really quick. But yeah, y'all, her name is I'm so sorry if I butcher her name, but it's Konzi. I'm so sorry if I said it wrong. It says Dominican Curly is a natural hair lifestyle brand and blog based on my belief that all hair is good hair, period. My passion is to help all women embrace their natural hair and fall in love with this hair care. In my shop, you'll find my handmade hair products that contain only clean, non-toxic ingredients. Each product is for all hair types. Use them consistently for longer, stronger, and healthier hair. And her website is www.dominicancurly.com. This is the front. You know, it's Dominican Curly. All hair is good hair. And it's just super cute. The girls on the front is cute. I have all of this, like, listing information down below. The first big thing that I saw was this hibiscus hair tea for all hair types. Steep 1 tablespoon of herbs into a cup of hot water for at least 10 minutes. Allow tea to cool. Okay, this is what it looks like. Sorry, I had to read the directions because I'm not using this week when I style my hair, but I'm doing mini twists, and I want to use this as, like, instead of water to wet up my hair while styling. So yeah, I can't wait to use this. That's what that looks like. And it's a hair tea. I'm not gonna open it right now, but I can't smell it from the outside. This is very, like, sturdy packaging. I like it. And I like how sleek the packaging is. This is the Ayurvedic multi-purpose hair oil for all hair types. I love hair oil, y'all. I love hair oil, so I'm so happy I have this to add to my collection. It contains extra virgin olive oil, organic virgin coconut oil. All of these are organic, so I'm not gonna keep saying organic, but avocado oil, jojoba oil, castor oil, sesame oil, peppermint essential oil, organic tea tree essential oil infused with amla, brahmi, holy basil, or tulsi, and neem. I don't know. So you can use it as a pre-poo or hot oil treatment. You can use it when deconditioning using the LCO or LOC method, moisture sealing, scalp massages, DIY recipes like clay mask, avocado pre-poos, and etc. So yeah, I love hair oils though, so I'm happy to have that. And what's left? And then this right here is the calendula hair tea sample. I can barely speak English, y'all, let alone anything that might be something else. So calendula, I guess. I'm gonna use this too. I imagine that the directions is the same for the hibiscus hair tea. And then, oh, it's my order. Thank you, lovely XO Kanzi. I'm so sorry if I said that one. But that is all I got from Dominican Curly, and I was happy about that first one, but this second one I'm like really happy about as an influencer. So this is like the front, it don't really matter. And you know, the back says handle with care, do not crush, bend, or fold. Thank you. So I'm going to open it for y'all, and then I'm going to say the brand, and like I'm not going to show y'all the card or anything. I'm going to just show you the products. Are you ready? Goddess Curls. So Goddess Curls, y'all know got Hazel Goddess on YouTube and Instagram. This is her hair company, or like hair care company, Goddess Curls. So she posted on her like the business page, the Goddess Curls page, who wants to be like a brand ambassador or work with her. And I was like, man, I want to. So she actually DM'd me. She was so sweet, y'all. She seems like a very nice girl from the little bit of interaction that we had. And this is like a paid situation. Still working out my prices. That doesn't matter, but I'm just saying I'm still working out my prices. So, you know, that's that. But I'm just so happy that I even had the opportunity for it to be paid. Like, that was initial from the get, like it would be paid, and that's because she's an influencer. Like I just said, Goddess Curls. This is her Divine Hair Elixir. It moisturizes dry hair and scalp, promotes hair growth, thickens, treats dandruff, adds shine, controls frizz, and split end care. So the ingredients is castor oil, extra virgin olive oil, jojoba oil, avocado oil, tea tree oil, and peppermint oil, and it's for all hair types. And this is 2 fluid ounces. Going back, this ain't, I know I should have said this earlier, this hibiscus hair tea by Dominican Curly is 3 ounces, and her multi-purpose hair oil, Ayurvedic multi-purpose hair oil, is 4 ounces. It looks bigger than 4 ounces to me. Maybe, I mean, it is about double size of this. But yeah, so this is Goddess Curls Divine Hair Elixir. Yeah, like I just said, I was super happy that she, you know, saw my DM and messaged me. And yeah, I'm actually using this week for my hair. I'm using this with some new products. So hopefully the new products, you know, look good when I style my hair. So yeah, we'll see. Hazel Goddess Curls, Celia sent me this. Thank you. We greatly appreciate your purchase. If you have any questions regarding your order, please contact her email. You know, it gives me her little hashtag and her website, Instagrams. I'll have all that down below. Although I know that y'all know it because that's Hazel freaking Goddess. And she also wrote on the back, thank you for collaborating with me, with a little smiley face. Thank you for collaborating with me with a real smiley face. So yeah, girl, thank you. But yeah, as you can see, I was like really happy. That's why this is the first one that I'm filming, and this should be the first video out of the few that I'm recording today. Yeah, I'm just super happy to be working, or I'm super happy to be on the Dominican Curly PR list and to be working with Goddess Curls. I'm super excited for the opportunity to create content using this. The hair tea, I think, is something that I got to use a few times before I can say anything about, like, because you know you got to try it. I can't wait to use this on my hair and scalp this week, and I think I'm going to use this, like I just said, for my mini twist. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, y'all, that's it for this video. If you are a brand, I doubt like I don't know if brands watch videos, but if you are a brand watching this unboxing, please feel free to email me or DM me on Instagram. Yeah, I check my DMs for the most part. I try to. Like the DM requests, those, you know, you really don't see as often, but like my personal DMs, my DMs don't get flooded, so I see everything. But yeah, if you want to work with me, DM me. You see, I am expanding, and you know, you can help me and be a part of my journey. So if you're interested in working with me, yeah, sorry for all that rambling, y'all. I'm just haven't recorded, and I'm actually rushing, y'all. Like, I'm on a time crunch, and I'm really talking like I don't have other videos to film and somewhere to go in 30 minutes. So but yeah, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video and if you're proud of me, please give me a big thumbs up, comment down below, share this video with your friends, any friend at all, and subscribe to my channel. It is currently March 2nd as I'm filming this video. I said I wanted 400 by March, so it's still March. It's not April yet, so I know I'm going to get 400 subscribers this month. But if you want to help me get 400 subscribers this month, please subscribe if you aren't. And that's it for this video. I want to see you in my next one. Bye.